Hello dear student, this is Deep Narayan Singh. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the concept related to your final unit of artificial intelligence, which is having subject code as 417. In this regard, I am getting constantly queries from the student. They are not able to understand this last unit, especially the evaluation of your subjective part in artificial intelligence subject. So we will make two videos on that unit, and these two videos are going to cover whole unit for you, and you will get all the concept related to this evaluation stage. So my dear student, let us start. What are the concepts available in this lecture? Let us go to first see the evaluation itself, which is the name of the unit, and this is the last stage of AI project cycle. As you know, there are 5 stages in the AI project cycle. First one is problem scoping, next one is data acquisition, and then you have data exploration, and then you have modeling. After that, you last stage you have what? Evaluation. So we first see the definition of evaluation. Actually, what is evaluation? So there we have the definition. Evaluation is a process that critically examines a program. To understand this particular term evaluation, before going to the definition itself, you all know the literal meaning of this word. क्या होता है बेटा? That is exam. While you take an exam or evaluate someone or something, that is called what? Evaluation. Like you study throughout the year for your subject, and at last you have the board exam. There what is happening? The board or the CBSE is evaluating you what you have studied. Let us again go to the definition. Evaluation is a process that critically examines a program. So when it says critically examines, it means we are examining or checking something with the intention to find the fault or to find some errors in that. It involves collecting and analyzing information about a program's activity. ये इन्वॉल्व इसके अंदर आता है कलेक्टिंग, एक साथ इकट्ठा करना, और एनालाइज, उसको प्रोसेस करना, एनालाइज करना, समझना इंफॉर्मेशन किसके बारे में? प्रोग्राम की एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में, करेक्टरिस्टिक उसकी विशेषताओं के बारे में, एंड आउटकम्स उसके रिजल्ट के बारे में. We will read the definition again. Evaluation is a process that critically examines a program that involves collecting and analyzing information about the program activities, characteristics, and outcomes. I hope it is clear. Next line it says, its purpose is to make judgment. इसका क्या purpose है? Judgment, समझना, उसके बारे में एक राय बनाना, about the program to improve its effectiveness. उसकी effectiveness को बढ़ाने के लिए उसके बारे में समझना कि हाउ मच इफेक्टिव दैट प्रोग्राम इज. व्हाट वी डू? वी इवेल्युएट दैट एंड और टू इन्फॉर्म प्रोग्रामिंग डिसीजन और टू इन्फॉर्म प्रोग्रामिंग डिसीजन. और जो हमें उससे रिलेटेड प्रोग्रामिंग डिसीजंस लेने हैं, उनको कौन से डिसीजन लें, ये भी हमें किससे पता चलेगा? बेस्ड ऑन दैट कि प्रोग्राम कैसा परफॉर्म कर रहा है. इफ इट इज परफॉर्मिंग वेरी गुड, वी नीड नॉट टू इम्प्रूव इट. इफ इट इज नॉट परफॉर्मिंग अप टू द स्टैंडर्ड्स, वी हैव टू इम्प्रूव इट. नेक्स्ट वी विल अगेन read the whole definition and try to understand. Evaluation is a process that critically examines a program. It involves collecting and analyzing information about program's activities, characteristics, and outcomes. Its purpose is to make judgment about a program to improve its effectiveness and or to inform programming decisions. I hope the definition is clear. Let us go ahead and see next point. Evaluation is basically to check the performance of your AI model. किस लिए evaluate करते हैं हम AI model को? उसकी performance को check करने के लिए. This is done mainly by two things. Very important. These, what are these two things? First one is called reality, and next one is called what? Prediction. So you just remember these two words for now. In the subsequent time we are going to discuss what is reality and what is prediction. ये reality क्या है और prediction क्या है, भी हम अभी आगे देखने वाले हैं. Evaluation is done by, कैसे evaluation होता है? हमें क्या करना है? First search some training data or with resulted outcome that is 100% true. Okay, I hope there should be testing data. First search some testing data with the resulted outcome that is 100% true. तो ऐसा हमें डेटा खोजना है, because we have already divided our data in data exploration phase into in modeling phase in two parts. First one is what? Some data in training data set, okay, and we have testing data set. Testing data set. So we have two data sets. So in testing data set, we try to search for some data for which resulted outcome is 100% true. Okay, fine, we will do this. And next is what? Then you will feed that testing data to the AI model while you have the correct outcome with yourself, that is termed as reality. Because you know already what should be the output of data, that is all true, because we have selected only those sample for which our model should result it as true. तो हमें उसमें से ऐसा डेटा उठाना है जिसके बारे में हमें ऑलरेडी पता है. सपोज करो कि एक हमारा एआई मॉडल है और इस एआई मॉडल में हम पिक्चर्स दे रहे हैं, सम पिक्चर्स, ओके, एंड दिस एआई मॉडल is going to predict it is a picture of word or not. So these pictures जो हम इसमें दे रहे हैं, there are some pictures which we already know these are the picture of words. Then we will see that is the reality, because we already know these are pictures of words, because we have selected only such pictures for which we already know that these are the pictures of words. Now we will give this data to our AI model and try see the prediction made by AI model. We will see the prediction made by AI model. If it is saying words, okay, that is fine, means prediction and reality are same. If it is saying it is not a word, okay, then we will say our model is predicting wrong. So this is a little bit information. Let us go for the next point. So what is reality? I hope you get an idea. The data for which we already know what it is, that is what reality is. Then when you will get the predicted outcome of AI model, जब आप उसका predicted result देखेंगे AI model का, तब that is called what? Prediction. So what output this AI model is going to give you, that is called what? Prediction. Compare it with the resulted outcome, that is reality. तो इसको हमें जो आउटपुट प्रिडिक्शन से मिला है एआई मॉडल के द्वारा, उसको हमें किससे कंपेयर करना है? रियलिटी से. एंड व्हाट इज रियलिटी? Because as humans we have already information about these pictures. These are the pictures of words. So whatever correct result you have to compare it with the prediction made by AI model. You can do this too. क्यों करेंगे हम ऐसा? There are some important points why we are going to do this. Improve the efficiency and performance of your AI model to check that is it predicting the correct level for those data points which we have provided to the AI model or not. तो हम ये इसलिए करते हैं जिससे हम ये चेक कर सकें कि हमारा AI मॉडल ठीक से काम कर रहा है कि नहीं. Improve it, check your mistakes. अगर वो ठीक से काम नहीं कर रहा है तो then we are going to take some programming decisions and reprogram that model or do some modifications in it so that it can predict the accurate outcome which matches to the reality. Let us go for the next, prediction versus reality. Actually we have to understand it very properly, these two words, because next while I explain the confusion matrix to you, there should not be any confusion at all. So in upcoming lecture definitely I am going to explain what is confusion matrix, and I will make sure that in 5 minutes you will get everything out of it. You will never forget that for whole of your life what is confusion matrix, and definitely that will come in your final exams. Let us go. Prediction means what? The output given by the machine after training and testing the data is known as prediction. जो हमारी मशीन ट्रेनिंग और टेस्टिंग के बाद जो आउटपुट देती है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? प्रिडिक्शन. जो मशीन का आउटपुट है उसको अगर सादे भाषा में कहें तो उसको हम बोलेंगे प्रिडिक्शन. रियलिटी क्या है? द रियलिटी इज द रियल सिचुएशन और रियल सिनेरियो इन द फॉरेस्ट वेयर द प्रिडिक्शन हैज बीन मेड बाय द मशीन. रियलिटी आप इस एग्जाम्पल से समझने की बजाय आप ये समझें कि वो डेटा जिसके बारे में हमें ऑलरेडी पता है, बिकॉज वी हैव सेलेक्टेड सच डेटा फॉर विच आउटपुट वी ऑलरेडी नो. some data from the testing data. Okay, so that we can compare the output of the machine or output of the model with actual reality, जो सत्य है, जो हमें पता है. As humans we are more intelligent than the machines ना. We can interpret so much information and take decisions because our mind is a very good intelligent machine than the computers, or any AI model is not nearer to the human mind. Human mind is so amazing, and that is a creation of God's computer. So we already know about the data by our perception. That is what reality. Okay, and the what is the machine is predicting, that is called what? Prediction. Let us see some more point in that. Try not to use the data set that has been used in the process of data acquisition or data training in the evaluation phase. तो यहाँ पर ये कहने की कोशिश की जा रही है कि जो ट्रेनिंग के लिए आपने डेटा सेट यूज किया है अपने एआई मॉडल के लिए, वो सेम डेटा सेट आपको एवेल्युएशन के लिए, टेस्टिंग के लिए यूज नहीं करना है. व्हाई यू शुड नॉट यूज इट? अगेन वी विल रीड दिस नोट पॉइंट. Try not to use data set that has been used in the process of data acquisition or training data in evaluation phase. What is the problem with that? This because your model will simply remember the whole training data set, because you have made your AI model such that so that it can learn and store that knowledge which it has gained previously. And from where it is gaining that knowledge? From the training set. So it has already data output about the training data set, and will therefore always predict the correct level. So in that case, what is going to happen? Your model is always going to predict the correct answer for any point in the training set. Whatever you give from the training set, it is always going to predict the correct output only. This is known as overfitting. And this situation, when you are using training data set for the testing purpose and your model is resulting correct level for all those data points, this situation is called what? Overfitting. Very important and many times asked in your CBSE exam. So they just ask what is overfitting in 1 mark or 2 marks. So you can give this definition or this situation. Let us go ahead. इवेल्युएशन टर्मिनोलॉजीज क्या क्या हैं, तो कुछ सिनेरियो को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. इमेजिन दैट यू हैव come up with an AI based prediction model which has been deployed to identify a football or a soccer ball. तो आपने ऐसा मॉडल बनाया है जिसको अगर आप कोई इमेज देते हैं तो वो मॉडल बताता है इट इज अ फुटबॉल और सॉकर बॉल. Okay, so you should give some pictures in the input and you will get some output, that is it a football? So it will say yes or no, something like that you will get in the output. So output is yes or no, and this is what your AI model. Keep that in mind. Now the objective of the model is to predict whether the shown figure is a football. हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है कि जो हमारा AI मॉडल है वो ये बता पाए कि जो हम उसको फिगर दे रहे हैं वो फुटबॉल है कि नहीं. नाउ टू अंडरस्टैंड द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ दिस मॉडल वी नीड टू चेक इफ द प्रिडिक्शन विच इट मेक्स आर करेक्ट और नॉट. अगर हमें इसे एवेल्युएट करना है तो कैसे करेंगे? हम इसको इसके प्रिडिक्शंस को चेक करेंगे कुछ इनपुट देके कि जो प्रिडिक्शन ये कर रहा है वो सही है या नहीं. Thus there exist two conditions that we need to consider upon prediction and reality. एक तो रियलिटी ये है कि जो पिक्चर हम इनपुट में दे रहे हैं उसके बारे में हमें जानकारी है कि ये फुटबॉल है कि नहीं, और दूसरा है आउटपुट इस मॉडल का. तो जो हमें जानकारी है पिक्चर के बारे में दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? रियलिटी. एंड जो मॉडल हमें आउटपुट में दे रहा है इज इट अ फुटबॉल और नॉट, दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? प्रिडिक्शन. ओके, सो आई होप यू understood about it. Let us go ahead. The prediction is the output that is given by the machine. Very straightforward in words. I hope you got it. Prediction क्या है? वो output जो मशीन के द्वारा दिया जाता है. The reality is the real scenario about the figure shown when the prediction has been made. और reality वो है उस फिगर के बारे में जब उसके बारे में prediction हो चुका है मशीन के द्वारा, तब हम उस पिक्चर को देख के समझ सकते हैं is it a really it is a football or not, or something, whatever level we want to give that data, that is or not. So reality is the real scenario about a figure shown when prediction has been made, already made. तो ये दोनों पॉइंट है. ये सिनेरियो को ध्यान में रखते हुए हम कुछ कॉम्बिनेशन देखेंगे रियलिटी और प्रिडिक्शन के. तो अगर मेरे पास सपोज करो दो वेरिएबल्स हैं x और y, और ये दोनों boolean variables है, means x can have 0 और x can have 1. So how many total combination I will have? I will have 4 total combination. Like you try by your own. I can assure you these are the all combination it can have. Okay, remember about it. If you have two variables and these two variables are of boolean type, means they can assume only two values, then how many total combination you can have? You can have 4 combination, like 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Why I am telling this, I will do let you know later. Okay, next is what, let us now look various combination that we can have with these conditions. So here you see you have a prediction and a reality. So what are the conditions it can have? Like prediction might be yes or no, and reality also it may be yes or no. So rather than going in this way, let us see the example itself. So this is a football, we know that. We will ask our AI model this question: is this a football? Prediction is yes, and in reality also, by seeing this image we can confirm it is a reality. So when reality and prediction matches, both are same and prediction is yes. When prediction matches with the reality and we are putting condition intentionally on prediction, that in that case prediction is yes. अगर reality और prediction समान है और जो prediction है वो हमारा yes है, 2 पॉइंट हैं, ध्यान से सुनिएगा। क्या है? prediction और reality सेम है और prediction क्या है? yes है, तो reality को भी yes होना पड़ेगा तभी वो सेम होंगे। ठीक है, चलिए ये बात, इतनी बात ध्यान में रखेंगे। प्रिडिक्शन इज यस, रियलिटी इज यस, in that case we will see this is a true positive case. True positive case, don't worry about it. Just listen it. I will make sure that in 5 minutes in the next lecture you will be able to find out it is a case of true positive or true negative or whatever it is. Here we can see in the picture that it is a football and the model predicts yes, which means it is a football, and prediction matches with the reality, hence it is a condition of true positive. So whenever your reality matches with the prediction and if your prediction is yes, then what you can say, it is a condition of true positive. Let us go for the next possibility, and there you have another image that is not a football or soccer ball. So if you give this image to your AI model and if it says no, it means it is saying it is not a football, and in reality also it is not a football. Again your reality and prediction matches. Okay, both are same, and in that case what is prediction? Prediction is no. Okay, so what we can say in that case, prediction is no. Fine, so there we go, prediction is no. Okay, then you have this case of true negative. Let us go for the theory. Here this is not an image of football, hence reality is no, because by seeing it we can confirm. In that this case the machine has predicted it correctly as a no, therefore it is a condition termed as true negative. Okay, let us go for the third possibility. Here you see in reality it is not a image of football, but your machine is saying it is a football. So what is happening? Prediction is not equal to reality. Okay, your prediction is not equal to reality and prediction is what? Yes. Okay, fine. Here the reality is that there is no football, but the machine has incorrectly predicted there is a football, so it is a case of false positive. Don't worry, have a patience. For 1 minute I will tell you how to write this false positive true negative. Okay, so don't worry about it. Next is what, this is the fourth and last case. There you have, again I have given a image to machine, and this is a football by reality because we know it is an image of football or soccer ball, but our machine is saying no. So again you have prediction which is not matching with the reality. And what is the value of prediction? Remember, we are focusing only on the value of prediction, not on the value of reality. So this is what prediction is. No, this is a case of false negative. Here football has been in a different look, because of which the reality is yes, but the machine has incorrectly predicted it is not no, which means machine has predicted there is no football, but actually there is a football. So this is the case of false negative. So I will write like true, positive. First case we have seen, okay, and then we have seen true, negative, and then we have seen false positive, false positive, and we have seen false negative. Okay, so how to find out these cases? Now let us see. You have prediction and reality, so you need to check it for two conditions. If your prediction and reality are same, okay, so the first word will always be true. So first two cases, if you see the video, there you have the one condition satisfied, whatever machine is predicting and reality is same. So here also prediction and reality are same. In these two cases, whenever your prediction and reality is a mismatch, there you have the first word as false. So here you have what? False. Okay, and here you have what? False. After checking that the value of prediction or reality is matching or not, next you need to check the value of prediction. If it is yes, okay, if the prediction is yes, then you will write what? Positive. If it is no, then you will write what? Negative. And in the same way you will do it for false also. So here if the value of prediction is yes, you will write what? Positive. Okay, if the value is of the prediction is no, what you will write? You will write negative. Okay, forget about the scenario, you just remember these two things. First condition is what? Check if prediction and reality are matching or not. If it is matching, then you will write the first word as true, otherwise you will write the first word as false. So this is our second condition, first condition. Okay, so whenever your prediction matches with the reality, what is the first word? First word will be true. Okay, and second condition is what is the value of prediction? If prediction value is yes, you will write the first word as positive. Okay, if the prediction value is no, you will write the second word as negative. Okay, false, negative. So again I will write here first condition or second condition to check, to write what case it is out of these four. It is a case of true positive or true negative or false positive or false negative. You need to check if prediction is equal to reality, then you will write the first word as true. Okay, and if it is not equal to, prediction is not equal to reality, then you will write the first word as false. So this is the trick for writing first word. And the second condition to write the second word, and in that condition you need to check the value of prediction. If it is yes, you will write what? Positive. Okay, if it is no, prediction is no, you will write what? Negative. Okay, so these are the things that you keep in mind. If you not get yet, don't worry about it, I will explain in next lecture also. Let us go for the confusion matrix. So confusion matrix is nothing but it is a comparison between the result of the prediction and the reality is called what? Confusion matrix. So whatever machine is predicting और जो वास्तविकता में है उन दोनों के कंपैरिजन को हम confusion matrix कहते हैं. There are four important parameters in confusion matrix that we are going to discuss in next lecture: accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Confusion matrix is a record. It helps us to find the matrix. Confusion matrix is not a calculation. It is a comparison of prediction and reality. Very important point. It is not actually a calculation. It is just a comparison between reality and prediction. Okay, a table that is used to define the performance of a classification algorithm, again that is called what? Confusion matrix. There we go. A confusion matrix allows us to understand the prediction result. It is not a evaluation matrix but record that can help in evaluation. In itself, it is not an evaluation matrix. If a question comes like write the evaluation matrix, you cannot write the confusion matrix, if because evaluation matrix are accuracy, recall, F1 score, and precision. But this confusion matrix can help in the evaluation. The four condition of the football we have just read. Let's go through them again. Like true positive कब हुआ था? When prediction and reality are matching and prediction is true. In that case, what is? Prediction and reality are matching, and what is the value of prediction? Yes. What is true negative? When prediction and reality are same, and the condition for prediction is what? No. When false positive means when your prediction is not matching with the reality, and the value of prediction is what? Yes. Because second word depend on the prediction value. If it is yes, then you have the positive. If it is no, so there you should have, for the last case, prediction must be no, and it should not match with the reality, as first word is what? False. So both the way, vice versa, you can check it out. Okay, let us go for next slide. Prediction and reality can be easily mapped together with the help of confusion matrix. So these are all four cases that can be created with the help of prediction and reality, because both can have two values, yes, no, yes, no. So if I write here prediction and reality, so how many total combination they can have? Prediction might be yes, yes, no, no. And in the same way, reality can also be yes and no, and yes and no. So what is the final result of all these four? You can see here both are same, and prediction is yes, so both are same. First word is what? True. And prediction is yes, so the second word is what? Positive. Here both are not same, so first word is false, and prediction is yes, so second word is positive. Then you have positive, I will write like POS, so that you will not be confused with this prediction. This is what? Prediction. Here you have prediction and reality are not same, so first word you have false, and the second word will depend on the prediction value, that is no, so here you have what? False, negative. Then here you have prediction and reality value same, so you will have true, and prediction value as no, so the second word will be negative. I hope it is very clear how to write these values. These type of questions are being asked from this topic. Why should we avoid using training data for evaluation? What is the purpose of evaluation stage in AI project cycle? Prediction and reality can be easily mapped together with the help of confusion matrix. The last stage of the AI project cycle evaluation, which refers to the evaluation process of understanding the reality of AI model, defined term true positive. So we will answer all these questions in a separate video, where when I make a video like subjective questions on AI evaluation stage. Give an example of a situation wherein false positive would have the highest cost associated with it. Give an example of a situation where false negative would have the highest cost associated with it. So all these questions answer we will discuss in a separate video. Again, our statement, our greatest weakness lies in giving up. The most certain way to success is always to try just one more time. Thomas Alva Edison, wonderful quote. Okay, guys, so thank you very much for listening patiently. That's it in this video. Have a nice day. Please do like, share, and subscribe my video if they are helping in your preparation. Thank you very much.